Before you buy the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit, here's what actually comes in the box. This kit is meant as a starter security system for a smaller home, apartment, or office. You get the base station, the keypad, 4 contact sensors, 1 motion detector, and a range extender. The base station is the center of the setup. The keypad gives you a physical way to arm and disarm it, and the contact sensors are for doors or windows you want covered first. The motion detector adds another layer for a room or hallway, while the range extender helps the pieces stay connected when they are farther from the base station. The main thing to know is that this is a clean starter bundle, not a full house kit for every door and window. For a 1 or 2 bedroom space, it gives you the core pieces to start with, and you can expand later if you need more sensors.